Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 32. How animals harvest energy stored in nutrients. Let's start. The end product of glycolysis is A. Glucose 6-phosphate, B. Pyruvate, C. Fructose 6-phosphate, D. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate. Correct answer: pyruvate. Which of the following occurs in the cytoplasm? A. Glycolysis, B. Fermentation, C. Electron transport chain, D. Both A and B. Correct answer: both A and B. The end products of fermentation are dash or dash. A. Pyruvate glucose, B. Pyruvate lactic acid, C. Lactic acid alcohol, D. Alcohol glucose. Correct answer: lactic acid alcohol. How many net ATP molecules are produced in glycolysis? A1, B2, C3, D4. Correct answer: 2. The net ATP gain in glycolysis is dash per 1 molecule of glucose. A1, B2, C3, D4. Correct answer: 2. The final steps of aerobic respiration occurs in the A. Cytoplasm, B. Nucleus, C. Lysosomes, D. Mitochondrion. Correct answer: mitochondrion. The transfer of electrons from one molecule to another is termed A. redox reaction, B. an oxidation-reduction reaction, C. a transfer reaction, D. Both A and B are correct. Correct answer: an oxidation-reduction reaction. Fermentation regenerates dash which is needed to drive glycolysis to ultimately obtain ATP. A. Fad, NAD, C. ADP, D. AMP. Correct answer: NAD. When the oxidized form of FAD is reduced, it becomes FH2, FA8, CNADH, DNADH+. Correct answer: F8. The Krebs cycle generates dash NADH molecules. A2, B4, C6, D8. Correct answer: 6. The eukaryotic cell obtains a net gain of dash ATP molecules from the breakdown of each glucose molecule. A2, B20, 36, D42. Correct answer: 36. When an amide group is removed from an amino acid to yield ammonia, this is termed A. glycolysis, B. lipolysis, C. amination, D. deamination. Correct answer: deamination. Free fatty acids can be catabolized by entering the Krebs cycle via A. acetyl-CoA, B. pyruvate, C. glyceraldehyde, NAD. Correct answer: acetyl-CoA. Amino acids can enter the Krebs cycle via A. pyruvate, B. acetyl-CoA, C. no intermediate, D. all of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Reactions of the Krebs cycle occur in the mitochondrial A. matrix, B. outer membrane, C. inner membrane, D. cristae. Correct answer: matrix. The Krebs cycle in glycolysis is regulated by the enzyme A. glucase, B. phosphatase, C. phosphofructokinase, D. enolase. Correct answer: phosphofructokinase.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.